Hey, what's up? It's Vince Geddes, the health insurance guy. Will help individuals, business owners, as well as families build the best health insurance benefits plan that you can find anywhere else because this plan is built for you, built by you, and tailored around you and your needs. Thank you again for coming to my channel. You have health insurance, or if you don't have health insurance, this video is going to show you how to use your private health insurance plan. So let's get straight to it so that you have a full understanding on how health insurance works. Now, first things first, your premium. This is the amount that you pay every month just to even maintain your insurance. This gets you in the club of having insurance. I'm going to break down why it's so important to have health insurance. Now, when you pay your premium and you get that health insurance card, that's going to allow you to even be seen by a doctor. Without that health insurance, unless it's an emergency situation, you are on the outside looking in. You can hope to be seen all you want to, but if you don't have that insurance card, a lot of times these clinics will turn their back on you because it's not an emergency situation and you don't have any insurance. They want to make sure that they are going to get paid. Number two, copay. Now, a copay is what you pay the clinic. That is what the doctor or clinic or physician charges. That is in their discretion. They can charge whatever they want to charge in order for them to see you. I've seen some copays for $50. I've seen some copays for $100. I've seen some specialists have $200 copays. It just depends on the type of doctor that you go to. Now, that copay is going to go to the clinic, is going to go to the doctor, is going to go to the physician. It does not go towards your deductible or your out-of-pocket maximum. Now, then you have a deductible. Now, a deductible is the amount that you have to pay before the insurance company pays anything. We're talking about private health insurance. I'm not talking about Obamacare or the ACA. Now, with the Obamacare and the ACA, as far as those plans, they have certain health benefits that they cover outside of the deductible. But with private health insurance plans, most of them, you would have to satisfy that deductible first. Some plans have a $2,000 deductible, $1,000 deductible, a $5,000 deductible, $7,500 deductible, $10,000 deductible. This is the amount that you would pay before the insurance company pays anything. Now, put this in mind, with the deductible, the higher your deductible is, the lower your monthly premium would be. When you look at these deductibles, just remember that is the amount that you are on the hook for. And before the insurance company pays anything, your deductible has to be met first. Now, after the deductible, we're going to talk about coinsurance. Now, coinsurance is just what the word entails. It is a percentage of what you are responsible for and what the insurance company is responsible for. So for an example, 80-20 coinsurance, meaning that after the deductible is met, the insurance company comes in and says, I am going to take care of 80% of this bill, and you're going to be responsible for the 20% of the bill. So again, when you think about coinsurance, think about how much is the insurance company going to cover or pay. So they may again have 80-20 plans. They have plans that are 90-10, they're paying 90% and you're responsible for 10%. They have plans in which it's 50-50. It just depends. The amount of coinsurance also can affect the premium as well. The lower your coinsurance, the lower your premium. The higher your coinsurance, the higher premium, meaning that the insurance company is paying more as far as for coinsurance and you're paying less. So the monthly plan is going to be more. So the fourth thing that we're going to talk about after coinsurance is out-of-pocket maximum. Just what it means. The most that you are going to pay out of your pocket. Always remember, what is my out-of-pocket maximum? OOPM. Out-of-pocket maximum. That is the most that you would pay out of your pocket. You may have out-of-pocket maximums for $10,000, out-of-pocket maximums for $5,000. Again, the out-of-pocket maximum, the amount still affects the premium, all right? The higher your out-of-pocket maximum, the lower your premium is. The better the plan, the more you pay for it. Let's just keep it like that. The better the plan, the more you pay for it. The more bells and whistles the plan is, the more you pay for it. The less it has, the less you pay for it. It does not mean you don't have coverage. It just means that you don't have the best coverage, but you do have coverage. So out-of-pocket maximum is just what the language says. You might have a bill for $50,000. Damn, that's a lot of money. I know that's a lot of damn money, $50,000. But stuff happens every day. One day in the hospital, 10 grand, you mess around and get into a car accident, you know, you might be spending a large amount of money just being in a hospital. And $75,000 is a lifetime of income for some people. $50,000, lifetime of income. Y'all don't have that. A lot of y'all don't have that. Let's just keep it real, you know. But you got that bill. You know, you would rather pay $75,000 than just someone say, oh, she doesn't have the money. Let's leave them on the side of the road like a piece of trash. No, you want to get fixed up. You want to get taken care of. And that's what that insurance card is going to do. It's going to allow you to walk into the doctor's clinic or the hospital and get seen and get taken care of. But now you got this bill. You got this $80,000 bill because you had a heart attack. Out of that $50,000 bill, you only paying $10,000. Why is that? Because that is your out-of-pocket maximum. That's the most that you pay out of your pocket. I pay that $10,000. Depending on the type of insurance plan that you got. Some insurance plans, private health insurance plan, may cover you up to $100,000. Some may cover you up to $1 million. Out-of-pocket maximum is just what it is what you pay, the maximum that you pay out of pocket. But as far as the limit in which they cover, it can vary depending on the insurance company. Some insurance company will cover you to a limit of $100,000. Some insurance company will cover you up to a limit of $500,000. Some insurance companies will cover you up to a limit of $1 million or $2 million. If you have a bill for $50,000 because you had a heart attack and you've already fulfilled your out-of-pocket maximum of $10,000, meaning that you paid $10,000 out of your pocket from your deductible and your co-insurance, which was the remaining balance that was left, which came up to a total of $10,000. That's it. The insurance company got to come in and cover everything up to that limit that they have. Just like I mentioned a minute ago. It could be 10, it could be 100,000, it could be 500,000, it could be $1 million. It really just depends on the insurance company. So, I hope this video was as clear as possible because, you know, this can be confusing as heck. You know, I've been in this business a while and I try my best to make this as simple as possible because a lot of these videos, they like to complicate shit. Say that, you know, I'm supposed to be professional with this, but they like to complicate things. All right, it's not that complicated, but it can be complicated. I'm just here to educate you guys and make it as simple as possible so that you can navigate your way through this insurance thing. So if you are interested in health insurance, you are looking to move forward to cover yourself, reach out to me, area code 404-689-2322. That's 404-689-2322, or just book your appointment at www.getnextdayhealth.com. That's www.getnextdayhealth.com. I'm licensed all over the United States, but I am based in the Atlanta, yes. But I am in Cabo San Lucas as well. You know, I mean, I'm doing my thing. I'm over here living my best life, you know, so don't talk about me. Don't talk about me at all. This is how I do. But I'm here to help you. I understand the thing called insurance. I'm here to help your grandmama, here to help your daddy, here to help them travel nurses, them truck drivers. I'm here to help anyone who needs this type of help. You know, I joke around, I have a good time, but this is a serious thing. You know, I advocate health insurance more than I advocate life insurance because most people get sick before they die. And these bills are astronomical and you don't want to not have no health insurance. So it's too many people I've seen go bankrupt because they just got sick. And, You know, if you know about my story, I've seen it and I've lived it. So let me help you again and your family get covered. This is what I do. I would love to be a broker. Reach out to me. And I thank you again for checking out my channel. Pass this along to somebody who just got health insurance. You ain't got to get it from me, but you got to get it. You got to make sure you're taken care of, all right? You only got one body, and that's the only thing that you truly own. So talk to you soon. Peace.